Hi everyone, my name is Jacob Pushy. I'm from Lebanon, New Hampshire, where I work as a registered nurse at Dartmouth-Hitchcock Medical Center. I recently graduated in May from Colby Sawyer College in New London, New Hampshire, with my Bachelor's of Science in Nursing. After that, I started work at Dartmouth-Hitchcock this July, so I'm pretty new to the whole living independently thing, having been in college and then in high school and at home prior to this. I took this course as a prerequisite for CRNA school, which I hope to attend in the coming years after getting enough experience and taking the required prerequisite courses. My biggest takeaway that I hope to gain from this class is a good foundation in chemistry for which to build upon in future chemistry classes. Um, and then in the instructions, it asks to discuss my experience and exposure to project management, which is pretty minimal. However, I do have a background in research, and in my capstone project, which I worked on my senior year of college, I worked for a year designing and conducting a project on carbon monoxide exposure education for emergency department nurses. And that was over the course of my entire senior year and presented finally at the end of it. And in that, I learned a good deal about project management and working in a group. Um, in terms of my research experience, I started that my sophomore year of college when I took an internship at Dartmouth College for a nursing research internship. I worked on some cancer research projects there and continued that into now, where I have learned a great deal about managing a research project and conducting research. Currently, we're working on a project on bone marrow biopsy patients and how therapeutic touch affects anxiety and pain in their total experience of a bone marrow biopsy. Uh, a little bit about myself. Like I said, I'm from Lebanon, New Hampshire, so I like to go hiking and skiing, and my girlfriend and I like to do that. We live in a one-bedroom apartment here in Leb with our cat. And yeah, that's pretty much me. I look forward to meeting you guys and getting to know you over the course of the semester. Thanks. Bye.